gonna be a short, man. I got an all aluminum sign. This is a hotel all aluminum sign, pure aluminum, all aluminum. No metal whatsoever on this side. It's all aluminum. Even the lights in the inside are made of aluminum. The only piece of problem that I have here is just these little wires I got to cut off of here. But it's getting late here. I got about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna get this dropped on off. But I just want to show you guys, man, this sign weighed in about 400 pounds. All aluminum. It's heavy too. 400 pounds. All aluminum. Sign from a hotel. The hotel owner called me, come pick up this aluminum sign, and this is it. So I'm gonna get it thrown off of here and call it a day. So I got the aluminum pile over here. I'm gonna get it thrown off of here and I'll call it a day. I'm at a different yard here at Top Meadows because my yard closed at 4 o'clock and it's about 4:40 my time. So let me get this offloaded right now. Here we go. All right, guys, got everything offloaded. Got the whole aluminum over here. I think it weighed in close to 300 pounds, 300 or 400 pounds per aluminum, man. Somewhere around there. I'm pretty close to it. I know aluminum paying pretty good right now. So not a bad day, man. Not a bad day to get out here. You guys be blessed. It's going to be a short video. I got to get out of here. They're getting ready to close in 5 minutes. So I got to get on the scale. You guys be blessed. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.